You have the heart of a chief of a sea.
A chief protects his own. I was so afraid of becoming my dad.
Talk to you with my hands tied, walk toward you on a fine line. Everybody has a dark side, I feel embarrassed when they see mine. Rain falling from my dark skies, clouds parting but it's all lies. Shouldn't I see the sunshine now? Wonder how I look in God's eyes. Am I a good person or a lost one? Will this feel worth it when I'm all done? Will I feel ashamed of like who I was? Will the pain vanish or will more come? Will I stay numb or regain love? Maybe someday have a taste of freedom. Will I take the poison out of my blood or just leave it there inside of my lungs? I know, no, I should let you go. Hands are feeling cold, just leave me alone. No, I just want control. I feel so exposed, liars in my home. No, please do not provoke. Noose around my soul, I cut down the rope. They don't want me happy, they don't want me fixed. They don't want me better, they just want me broke. Talk but never listen, at least I admit it. Block out all my vision, watching me diminish. That's my favorite pastime, I know nothing different. Tell me something different, I don't see the difference. I just feel offended, I just feel defensive. Why don't you accept me? I just need acceptance. Time is of the essence, don't like how we spend it. You just want perfection, I need you to let me. Let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go.